Ito na siya, guys! Wow! So purpley. Tsaka purpley. Ayan. And meron pa siyang money chorba dyan sa loob. Ayan. Ay! Ipit ko. Good evening! Welcome back! Welcome to my YouTube channel! Hello, mi amigos, mi amigas, mga nami ilawas. Ayan. Naka-best in uniform si Lola niyo ngayon, guys. Ayan. Ayan, guys. So, this is our arrangement for today. The basket with purple roses and purple Gypsophilia. Ayan, guys. Ang ganda ng gypso, guys, kasi na-spray ko siya ng purple color. Ayan, ito yung spray na binili ko kanina. It's a normal spray paint, all-purpose. Ayan, all-purpose flower. Char! Ayan na siya, guys. So, hindi ko pa siya natapos. This is the arrangement na may pera. Ayan, money roll, ganyan-ganyan. Mga nakikita natin sa mga cakes. And, ayan yung mga surprise boxes. So, like this, guys, I put the money inside already. So, ayan. Hihilahin na lang ng celebrant for birthday. Charot. Kung ano man yung ganap. Char. So, ayan, guys. Tingnan nyo lang ako, guys. Manood kayo sa akin. Hindi ko siya ita-time-lapse. Ayan. May etchos sa gilid. May etchos sa gilid. Ayan na. Medyo masilaw yung video. Okay. So, stay lang kayo dyan, guys. Watch me. Watch me web. Watch me nay-nay. Wala tayong customer ngayon, guys. So, we're gonna make a sample chorba. Ayan. Sample chorba. Ayan. Ang ganda ng kulay, guys. Gusto ko talaga yung purple, actually. Shout out kay Mamulay. Gusto niya yan ng purple colors eh. Ang ganda, guys. Oh, wow. I like talaga the purple. Purple. Hindi siya lavender, guys, ha, na flower. It's only baby's breath na spray natin siya ng purple. Ayan. Tusok-tusok lang yan, guys. Naglagay ako ng foam sa loob. Ayan. Ready na siya. Inangat natin ng konti sa basket para hindi tayo gaganon sa ilalim. Ayan. Ayan. Diyan na kayo, guys. Oh my God, the customer is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Char. May customer ako, guys. So, diyan na kayo, guys. Just keep on watching. Nag-watch hour ako sa aking isang phone. Hindi ko siya na-close. Oh my God. Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
Fine, alhamdulillah.
Can I have one balloon?
Balloon?
Yeah.
Which color?
Yellow.
Yellow balloon. Only one.
Only one.
With helium.
Yeah. Because we have. Like the gold color?
Golden. We have gold also.
Where's
It's not there. You need another one,
yeah.
but gold. What should we eat?
How much is this?
One piece 800 by sound. Laser? Please, I need to take picture. Guys, kaloka, may bumili ng balloons. So, hindi pa rin tayo tapos, guys, no? We'll just continue it. Tusok-tusok. And we will finish this arrangement na ginawa natin. It's so very simple, guys. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 roses only. 7 roses and baby's breath. Loaded with baby's breath. I needed the most. Not gonna making alone. Char! LSS ako sa music na yan. Parang ayaw kong ubusin itong purple. I like it. I like the color of this flower. It's so very unique and attractive. Tinignan mo kasi siya, guys. Ayan. So attractive talaga siya from afar. Char from afar. Huwag natin ubusin yung flower, guys. Kasi mahal din yung spray. Babaan natin ng konti itong sa likod. Ito na siya, guys! Wow! So purpley. Char purpley. Ayan. And meron pa siyang money turban dyan sa loob. Ayan. Ay! Ayan. Picture tayo kanina. Ayan na siya, guys. So this is the money. Wow! It's made of 1 reals. This 1 real, guys, is 125 pesos na yan sa Philippine money. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Nag-match pa yung flower natin sa pera. Wow, too much nice. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like this video and hope you subscribe to my channel. Hit notification bell for the latest updates. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Peace.